Twilio Autopilot. Are your customer service teams overwhelmed by repetitive questions? Losing time and money on calls that could be automated? Many businesses face this challenge, but Twilio Autopilot offers a smarter way to engage customers. Twilio Autopilot is a conversational AI platform designed to build, train, and deploy intelligent bots across multiple communication channels. Whether it is phone calls, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Alexa skills, Google Assistant, or custom chat platforms, Autopilot ensures your business is available wherever your customers are. Its natural language understanding (NLU) uses machine learning to recognize user intents and understand conversational input, enabling accurate responses or routing to the right place. You can design task-driven conversations for specific needs, such as customer support, appointment scheduling, or data collection flows. One of Autopilot's strengths is real-time learning and analytics. The platform continuously improves bot performance based on real interactions and provides insights into task completion rates and user behavior. This helps businesses fine-tune their bots for even better results. When a situation calls for a human touch, seamless human handoff transfers conversations from bot to agent without losing any context. You can also customize tone, error handling, and dialogue flow through customizable dialogue management, giving your bots a personality that matches your brand. Behind the scenes, Autopilot's omni-channel hub converts JSON instructions into compatible protocols for different platforms, simplifying deployment across multiple channels. Its CLI plugin makes managing bots, tasks, and webhooks efficient for developers. Twilio Autopilot is especially helpful for businesses that want to enhance customer engagement while reducing workload and costs. With usage-based pricing, around 0.04 United States dollars per voice minute and 0.001 United States dollars per chat or messaging interaction, it is scalable for businesses of any size. Stop letting repetitive inquiries drain your team's time. With Twilio Autopilot, you can provide faster, smarter, and more personal customer interactions across every channel. Start building your AI-powered assistant today and take your customer experience to the next level.